Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. And in this video, we are going to learn about Vlookup. So over here, I have this number, and it's the corresponding values over here, right? So if I wanted to get like for 2, I wanted to get this value. For 5, I wanted to get this value from this reference. We can use Vlookup. Let's say Vlookup, and which point you are going to reference, so this value, and then where I'm going to look for its match over here. Let's say in these two columns I'm going to match. Then which column you want as a output? So I need this column, the second column. This will be 2, and say I need exact match and enter. So I get 2 over here. For 2, its corresponding value is 2. Now once I can say this plus sign, then double click, and now I got all this formula has been applied automatically for all of these cells, and you can see I got its corresponding value from here. Now let's say if I'll use something like 1 something like this, we're just going to I'm going to merge in these two things. Let's say concatenate A comma B. Now this value, I have this value, right? And I wanted to get now this value I wanted to get for its matching value as per for this value, right? So over here I have to change that array. Now I need to select all these 3 columns, and I need output as this third column. So over here I wrote 3 over here. Now let's say false and enter. So over here you can see I got this value over here. If I will double click, same will apply to all of the cells. Vlookup is very simple. First is which value. Over here I'm applying for this value. I wanted to get its match from this array or range. So that is the first thing. Then the range you have to select over here like this, and then out of that rank which corresponding value you wanted to get over here. I have given 3, and it is a approximate or exact match. This is all about Vlookup. Thank you.